In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated outline text effect in Canva. This effect combines a hollow outline with a moving solid text layer to make titles, intros, and social posts pop. Start by adding your text to the canvas, choosing a bold, readable font. Heavier fonts make the outline cleaner. Resize and center your text so it stands out. Next, duplicate the text layer. The bottom layer becomes the outline, and the top layer will be the solid text that moves. Select the bottom layer, open Effects, and choose Hollow. Adjust thickness to your liking. Around 1 gives a simple outline, higher values make it bolder. Pick a color that contrasts with the background for visibility. For the top layer, set the fill color to match your background for a cutout effect, or pick a contrasting color to stand out. Align the layers perfectly so the outline peaks evenly around the solid text, using the position tool and arrow keys if necessary. Now animate the top layer. Click Animate and select effects like Typewriter or Wipe to reveal the outline as the solid text moves. For more control, use Create an Animation to draw a custom path. Keep movements subtle so the outline remains readable. Finally, preview your animation, adjusting speed and direction to suit your style, slower for elegance, faster for energy. When satisfied, export as MP4 for video projects, or an animated GIF for looping graphics. This technique is simple yet effective, giving your text a professional animated look in Canva. It works well for social media, presentations, and video intros, making your content more engaging while highlighting your message clearly. With these steps, your animated outline text is ready to grab attention and enhance your designs.